Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from prep, tools you'll need to do the job, the fitment to get the perfect look, plus helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get in gear and get started. If you're upgrading your 65, 66 Mustang and your door handles are original and maybe they don't look as nice as they once were, I'll be showing you how to update those today. To show you what we're working with to get these handles off, I'm going to show you on our new handle. So this will be on the post on the door, and then this is on the post on the door. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to remove this C-clip. And the best way that I have found to do that is with a small screwdriver, and you'll be needing a hook like this. There we go. We're not gonna let this cut fool you. This can be tedious. So just be persistent with it and you'll get it. Boom. And now to move on to the same thing with the window crank. There you have it. Another trick for installing the C-clips is making sure it's pushed fully ahead and pushing into place. Look at that. That's how you install interior door handles. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.